that I'm gonna do to the truck. Gonna put it on the front and make it look good. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Gonna make it look good, oh yeah. Oh yeah, boys. Can't forget the bolts. We have the official, not really official, but kind of official, Tacoma TRD bumper. Oh yeah, this thing's sick. Cannot wait to take the old one off. Looks like right here, I think these are the letters, or like the middle insert. Yeah, there it is. Sweet. Here we go, boys. Boom. It's gonna look much better. I'm gonna try to get some of this off. This shock is, the body is just pretty gross. There's kind of some, I don't know, corrosion or something on there. So these are steel, but they have a zinc plating on them, and then the reservoirs are aluminum. So I bought an aluminum polish kit. So we're gonna take the reservoirs off and shine them up really nice and make them look good. Another thing is these didn't have the stickers for some reason. There's no stickers on any of my reservoirs, front or rear. And so we have some new stickers from King to put on there. I just called them up and they gladly sent some. Leaf springs down here, there's just some surface rust on there. And on the brake drum, all of this is extremely common. It's not anything to be worried about. It's just about on every vehicle. But I just want to kind of take the tires off and inspect stuff and make it look super good. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, just gonna zip the wheels off real quick. Man, this is a lot smaller than the 35s I'm used to on the Jeep. All right, well here's our brake drum, and I mean it's what I expected, right? It's not terribly rusty, like all brake drums do this, but yeah, let's make that look better. Dude, you gotta love Harbor Freight. Seriously, all this crap for like 60 bucks. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is degrease some of this and just get the dirt and crap off of it. And I'll kind of scrub it with this little wire brush, and we'll just get a lot of the dirt off. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then we'll put some Pour 15 on there. It stands for Paint Over Rust. It's really cool. I've used it on my Jeep. I've used it on my old International Scout. It just worked really good to stop rust. So we'll do that and prep this, and then you can see like all the nasty oxidation and stuff. I'm really not sure how much we can get off of this. I don't know if this kind of happened because he didn't wash it that much. We'll see. But this, you can see there's some scratches and whatnot, and we're gonna take the resi off, and we're gonna use this rotary tool I just bought at Harbor Freight and a little aluminum polish kit, and hopefully we can make these things look really good. You can already see a lot of that rust just came right off with the degreaser and the little wire brush. All right, I think that's good for now. We'll just kind of let this dry, and then in the meantime, I think we're gonna go ahead and try to work on some of the suspension here. All right guys, we'll see how this goes. I have a little wire brush thing tip on here, and yeah, we'll see. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but right there, I actually just did that pass, and it looks pretty dang good. So we'll see, we'll keep doing this and see what happens. All right guys, I'm gonna take a little bit of this polish and see what happens. It was kind of black before. I have no idea if this is gonna work or not. Really, this would be better if I took the whole shock off. But I really just want to test this first and see if it actually does work, and if I can live with it for a while, and then maybe one day I'll take the shock off and do the whole thing. But just really want to see if this will work first. I think we can do this side. See what happens. Now we're getting somewhere. I'm gonna use a little bit of the buffing compound stuff on the rotary tool and see if that'll help get some more of the stuff off. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take off the reservoirs here. All right, there we go. All right guys, so it's the next day. So we put our Pour 15 on the brake drums and the leaf springs, and they look really good. This stuff is super hard. Then we polished up the shocks. They turned out really well. So now we're going around and replacing all of these old crusty hose clamps, and then we're gonna put on some fresh Keen decals on the reservoir and the shocks. All right, so we went around and put new hose clamps for all the reservoirs, and now we're going to put fresh decals right here. And I have quite a few new decals from King, and we will first clean the bodies with some alcohol and make sure they stick, and we'll put them on. This is always the scary part. Wait. Boom. All right guys, we got both sides done. So I got the decals applied, and the new hose clamps and the Pour 15. Again, it looks so good, super hard and durable. And then you got the decals on these reservoirs too. And here's the last side. And man, I just think it looks basically brand new. All right guys, well that's all I got for you on this episode. Thank you again so much for checking out the video and the channel. So be sure to stick around for the next few videos. I've already done a ton of filming, and I'm getting ready to edit several more videos for the Tacoma. So we have some new bumpers on there from Backwoods. That'll be probably the next video. I'll show you guys the bumpers and really want your design critiques and everything on those. And then we have a Midland GMRS radio over there that I'll be installing as well. And then my wheels and tires, they're here and they're already mounted and everything. And you know, I've already filmed that stuff, so I just got to edit it for you guys. If you guys want a little bit of a preview of some stuff I've already done to the truck, you can go onto my Instagram. It's really easy for me just to film a story or post something real quick, then sit down for several hours and edit stuff on YouTube. So if you want a quick little preview, you can go over to my Instagram and check out the wheels and tires and some other things I've done. So the full videos will be coming again to the YouTube channel pretty soon. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a good day. Thanks.